It was 9 a.m. The baby was on the play mat, looking up at the mobile, kicking her little feet, making sounds. Mom was right there, 30 centimeters away, scrolling her phone. The baby made a bigger sound, turned her head, found Mom's eyes and waited. 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Then Mom looked up, made eye contact, said softly, "Oh, look at you, hi, baby girl," and smiled. The baby's whole face transformed. Huge grin, kicked both feet, waved both arms, made 5 more sounds all in a row, all back at Mom. That moment, that tiny, ordinary, 3-second moment, is the most powerful brain-building habit science knows. It costs nothing, takes 5 minutes, and you can start today. Welcome back to Homeschool Parenting, where a child's first school is home, and you are their first teacher. I'm Dr. Maya, child psychologist and parenting researcher. Today, I want to show you one habit, backed by decades of neuroscience, that literally wires your baby's brain for language, learning, and emotional resilience. And it takes 5 minutes. Right now, your baby's brain is forming more than 1 million new neural connections every single second. That number comes from Harvard's Center on the Developing Child, and it is not a typo. A newborn's brain is only about 25% of its adult size. By age 3, just 36 months, it's already 80% developed. The architecture for language, thinking, emotional regulation, and stress resilience is being built right now, in these everyday moments. What's building it? Not toys, not screens, not flashcards. The #1 builder of early neural connections is a responsive relationship, your response to your baby's signals. Researchers at Harvard's Center on the Developing Child have a name for it: serve and return. Think of it like tennis. Your baby serves a sound, a look, a reaching arm, a smile. And you return, you make eye contact, you respond with a word or a gesture, you follow their lead. Back and forth, back and forth. Every single exchange, every complete serve and return wires a new neural pathway in your baby's brain. Language, memory, attention, emotional regulation. Here is the key insight: your baby is not learning from you, they are learning with you. The brain grows in the connection, not from the instruction. Let me show you just how important your response is. In the 1970s, a developmental psychologist named Ed Tronick ran what he called the still face experiment. A mother sits across from her baby. They interact normally, smiling, talking, mirroring each other. The baby is engaged, joyful, alive with connection. Then, on the researcher's signal, the mother goes completely still. Flat face, no response, no reaction. She is right there, but emotionally absent. Within 60 seconds, the baby starts trying to get her back. Pointing, smiling bigger, vocalizing louder, reaching. Nothing. After 2 minutes, the baby turns away, goes quiet, and begins to cry. 2 minutes. This is how wired your baby is for your response. And every moment of eye contact and answered coo reverses this. I am seen. I am responded to. The world responds to me. This is the foundation of confidence, language, and learning, built moment by moment. So here's the habit. 5 minutes every morning, same time. Here is exactly how. Step 1, put the phone in the other room. Not face down on the mat, the other room. A phone on the table, even silent, has been shown to reduce the quality of parent-child interaction. Phones are the modern still face. Step 2, get on their level. Sit on the floor, face to face, eye to eye. Step 3, follow their lead. Wherever they look, that is your topic. Whatever sound they make, that is your cue. You do not lead this moment. They do. Step 4, narrate. Describe what you are both seeing and doing. You are looking at the red block. You picked it up. You are shaking it, I can hear it rattling. Simple sentences. Slow pace, real words. Step 5, pause and wait. After you respond, count silently to 3 before you speak again. Most parents fill the silence. Do not. The pause is where your baby's brain does the work, processing, forming a response, firing a connection. Wait for the serve. 5 steps, 5 minutes. Done every morning, That is 35 minutes of intentional brain wiring this week. Done every day for a year, hundreds of thousands of new connections. Connections that become language, that become learning, that become a child who knows the world responds to them. Here is a bonus habit inside the habit. As you narrate, use real words, not just baby talk. Researchers have found that the richness of language a child hears in the first 3 years, the variety of words, not just the volume, predicts vocabulary size, reading ability, and school readiness years later. You do not need to lecture. Just describe the world honestly. The spoon is cold. The banana is yellow and really soft today. The dog is sleeping under the chair. Real life, real language, real brain building. The easiest way to build any habit is to anchor it to something you already do. For babies, morning feed is perfect. Right after feeding, when they are full, calm, and alert, that is the golden window for serve and return. Alert plus full plus rested equals the best possible brain state for learning. Put them on the play mat right after. Give them your 5 minutes. Science agrees, and so will your baby. What does this grow into? Babies who experience consistent, responsive serve and return in their first year develop larger vocabularies, stronger attention spans, and better emotional regulation by school age. These advantages have been tracked all the way into adolescence. You are not just playing. You are laying the foundation of who they will become. So here is the recap. Your baby's brain builds 1 million connections per second. Serve and return, responsive back and forth interaction, is the #1 builder. 5 focused minutes each morning. Phone away, on the floor, follow their lead, narrate with real words, pause and wait. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be present. If this was useful, share it with one parent this week. Subscribe for one simple, science-backed parenting habit every week. Tell me in the comments, what does your serve and return time look like? I would love to hear, because a child's first school is home and you are their greatest teacher. See you in the next one.